Got this engine all taken apart. Just started. Got the block cleaned up pretty good. Got it all brought back down to bare aluminum like it's supposed to be factory. Got flywheel, clutch, carb. This is the old kickstart. Had to grind it off to be able to get that because they had welded it. So ground it off. The teeth were shot, so I had to replace it. Got that new one put on there. And I was just about to start sealing up this case. I got all the new gaskets and everything right here. Like I said, you know, new seals on here, painted. That way it looks good. Looking right good. Point system's all still here. Points were still clean on this thing, still had power. So basically just freshen it up, clean everything out, all put back together. So get that going. Alright, got this thing put together, got that new gasket put in there, oil pump, new gaskets on it, the rod sitting there. Got this timing chain, tensioner, plunger put in there. And there you go. Alright, original motor still. So, just kind of getting this thing buttoned back up together and bringing it along the way. Clutch, got it. I took it apart and the pads are still good in it, so I'm just going to go ahead and run it. If later on in the future he wants to put new clutch in there, it's like 40 bucks for a new clutch assembly, so get that put in there for him if he wants it later on, but it still has plenty of pad left, so we're gonna get it going. Alrighty, here's the after of everything. Got the frame all painted, forks, rims, inside and out, tank, very pleased with how this turned out. I feel like I should have fixed this little tiny dent. I honestly didn't see it until after I had already painted it. And but new headlight. That new headlight, they're not cheap. So if you can keep your original, definitely a good idea. But polish that up as best I could. There's a couple little scratches in here. I didn't want to keep going because I didn't want to get into the lettering to make it look even. But polished that up and painted it. Then the side cover to the engine, and I'm gonna get the engine put the rest of the way together today. But it's all polished up. There you go. So, and then I sanded these down to make them raw aluminum again, and then clear coated over them so they won't discolor. But I think it all turned out pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments.